Have you ever wanted to create a personal resume using Canva templates? Well, let's get started. Why don't we start from the beginning? The first thing you want to do is create a Canva account. You will go to www.canva.com. Click on Sign Up and register using your email, Google account, or Facebook. Step 2 is search for resume templates. Once logged in, use the search bar at the top of the home page. Type resume and press enter. Browse through the available resume templates. You can filter by style, theme, or industry. Step 3, select a template. Click on the resume template that best fits your desired style and profession. Preview the template to ensure it has the sections and layout that you need. Click Customize this template to start editing. To customize your resume, the first thing you want to do is put your name in the text box at the top of the design. If you want to, you can put your picture on the resume. If not, simply select the photo element and hit delete to turn it off. To get your photo in the desired spot, find a headshot of yourself on your computer or phone. Upload by navigating to the Upload tab on the left and upload your photo. Then go to each element in the rest of the document and edit the information. Here's a pro tip that I have learned in my years of designing for other people. If you have some text already created that you want to use in your project, all you need to do is follow these steps. Add a page by clicking the plus sign for Add Page. This opens a blank page. You can now copy the text from your other document and paste it into a Canva text box. This gives you a script that you can utilize as you cut and paste, all from within the same place. Have you ever noticed a pencil with some twinkling stars next to it? Canva recently introduced Magic Write, an AI writing and content tool that helps you fine-tune your writing or create paragraphs from simply a few keywords. Let's edit this first paragraph using Magic Rewrite. I have a one-line description that I want to rewrite. I have a few typos I want fixed as well. You will see that Canva rewrote it to sound more professional. Let's make it longer. Click Magic Write and select Keep Writing. Now, we simply readjust the spacing on the other elements to accommodate the longer paragraph. Now that you have created a resume that represents you in a highly professional way, it is time to share it. Click Share in the top right corner. Select Download and choose PDF. PDF stands for Portable Document Format and is the standard for sharing professional docs. If you plan on printing, select PDF Print as your format choice, then press Download. You can put your work of art in a folder on your desktop for easy access. If printing, use high-quality paper and adjust your printer settings to ensure the best possible output. There's no need to worry about saving your project. Canva saves in real time as you create. If you don't need to print your resume, you can share it directly from Canva via email or public view link. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you learned something new. Subscribe and like if you did. Leave comments if you want me to make more videos like this. Ta-ta for now.